Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best nano glass coating is probably one of the most transformative products you can apply to your vehicle's glass surfaces, offering unparalleled clarity and protection against the elements. Imagine driving through rain with wipers barely needed, or effortlessly wiping away stubborn bug splatters and grime, all thanks to this advanced hydrophobic technology that repels water and contaminants, ensuring your view remains crystal clear and your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Number 5. Chemical Guy's HydroView Ceramic Glass Cleaner and Coating. Meet the revolutionary new way to clean and protect your glass surfaces. It's designed for exceptional clarity and durability. Effortlessly remove dirt, dust, and grime while adding a slick hydrophobic coating. This helps water bead and roll right off, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer. Experience crystal clear views, even in rain or fog. It reduces water spots and streaks, significantly improving driving safety and comfort in any weather. This powerful formula is safe for all your glass needs. Use it on car windows, mirrors, household glass, and even boat windshields. Achieve a perfect, streak-free finish in minutes. Simply spray, wipe, and buff for a protected, glossy surface with no messy residue. Whether it's your car, truck, RV, boat, or home, this product keeps surfaces looking their best. Enjoy a slick, glossy finish that repels water and stays cleaner between washes. What we like. This product cleans and protects glass in one step, adding a slick hydrophobic coating. It enhances visibility by reducing water spots and streaks for a crystal clear view in all weather conditions. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner and protectant for both your car and home, this is a great choice. What people say. This nano glass coating provides a durable protective layer that repels water and dirt effectively. The application process is straightforward, leaving a glossy finish that enhances the appearance of the glass surface. It significantly reduces water spots and makes cleaning much easier, maintaining clarity over time. Number 4. CERAKOTE Ceramic Glass Coat Protectant. Introducing CERAKOTE Ceramic Glass Coat Protectant, your ultimate solution for a clearer view on the road. Experience advanced ceramic technology for superior protection. Our innovative ceramic formula provides your windshield with exceptional water beading and dirt repellency. This enhances your driving visibility, especially during harsh weather conditions. Enjoy durable protection against environmental elements that lasts for multiple seasons. It ensures your car's glass remains crystal clear, no matter the conditions. Achieve professional-grade results with our simple DIY application. You can get a flawless finish in under 15 minutes, right in your own garage. Enhance your driving experience with significantly improved visibility. It effectively repels water and reduces the buildup of ice and snow on your windshield. Each kit contains 4 ceramic wipes and a microfiber buffing towel. This is enough product to treat 2 windshields or 1 windshield and 2 side windows. What we like. Utilizing advanced ceramic technology, this product provides superior water beading and dirt repellency for enhanced driving visibility. It offers a durable layer of protection against environmental elements for multiple seasons. If you desire a long-lasting, easy-to-apply solution for improved visibility in harsh weather, this is the one for you. What people say. The nano glass coating provides a durable protective layer that resists scratches and chemical etching. It creates a hydrophobic surface, causing water and dirt to bead up and roll off easily, keeping the glass cleaner for longer. The coating enhances clarity and reduces glare, improving visibility, especially in adverse weather conditions. Number 3. System X Renew Ceramic Spray Coating. Introducing System X Renew Ceramic Spray Coating, your ultimate solution for a showroom shine. This advanced formula provides unparalleled protection and a slick finish. Achieve a hyper-gloss finish with this professional-grade spray. It enhances the shine and depth of your vehicle's paintwork, making it look brand new. Experience superior water repellency. It actively repels water, dirt, and grime, preventing water spots and keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer. Enjoy over 9 months of robust protection. It shields your paint from UV rays, acid rain, road contaminants, and minor scratches. This is a true ceramic coating made with proprietary nanotechnology. It chemically bonds to your paint for genuine, long-lasting protection. Not just for paint. It's safe and effective on glass, wheels, chrome, trim, and even marine and aviation surfaces. What we like. This product delivers a hyper-gloss finish with an ultra-hydrophobic coating that repels water, mud, and dirt. It provides over 9 months of true SiO2 protection against various environmental contaminants. If you're seeking a professional-grade, super slick finish with long-lasting protection for your vehicle's paintwork, this is an excellent option. What people say. Coating will last around 2 to 3 months in the real world. The mirror shine after using this product is unbelievable. It applies easily, buffs off nicely, and makes the water bead like it owes you money. Number 2. Luvvitt Liquid Glass Screen Protector. Introducing the Luvvitt Liquid Glass Screen Protector, a revolutionary way to safeguard your device's screen. It offers superior scratch, moisture, and impact resistance for everyday peace of mind. This advanced nano coating bonds with your screen, increasing its hardness to 9H. It creates an invisible, protective layer that enhances durability without altering the look or feel of your device. Applying it is a breeze. Simply wipe it on for a seamless, bubble-free finish. It's perfect for all screen types, including curved and foldable displays. Our liquid glass is designed for universal compatibility. It works flawlessly with all your devices, from iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones to iPads and smartwatches. Beyond protection, it also reduces radiation by up to 80%. Plus, it won't interfere with your fingerprint sensor, ensuring full functionality. For added confidence, this screen protector comes with $750 in screen protection coverage. It's the smart choice for keeping your valuable devices safe. What we like. This cutting-edge liquid glass protector bonds to your device's screen, offering greatly enhanced scratch and moisture resistance. It creates an invisible protective coating that increases screen hardness. If you have a smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch and want an easy, bubble-free application for enhanced screen durability, this is ideal. What people say. The Nano Glass Coating provides a durable protective layer that resists scratches and chips, maintaining the pristine look of the glass surface. Application is straightforward, creating a smooth, hydrophobic surface that repels water and dirt, making cleaning significantly easier. The coating enhances clarity and reduces glare, improving visibility, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Number 1. 9H Nano Ceramic Coating Kit. Introducing our advanced 9H Nano Ceramic Coating Kit. It provides a durable, high-gloss protective layer for your vehicle's exterior. This coating shields your car from common contaminants like bird droppings, UV rays, and minor scratches. It creates a crystal-like finish that prevents damage. Experience superior scratch prevention with our 9H Nano Ceramic formula. It adds a tough, glossy surface to keep your car looking pristine. Enjoy long-lasting hydrophobic protection that repels water and contaminants. With proper preparation, it can maintain its effectiveness for up to 6 months or even longer. For optimal results and longevity, proper preparation is key. Ensure the surface is thoroughly cleaned, polished, and free of any oils or waxes before application. After application, please refrain from driving the vehicle for at least 24 hours to allow the coating to fully cure and bond. What we like. This nano ceramic coating provides an anti-scratch 9H layer with a high gloss finish, protecting your car from various contaminants. It offers hydrophobic properties and can last up to 6 months with proper preparation. If you're looking for a DIY ceramic coating kit to add a high-gloss, scratch-resistant layer to your car's paint, glass, or wheels, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Nano Glass Coating provides a durable protective layer that resists scratches and chemical etching. It creates a hydrophobic surface, causing water and dirt to bead up and roll off easily, keeping the glass cleaner for longer. The coating enhances clarity and reduces glare, improving visibility, especially in low-light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.